The next process we'd like to cover in the step-by-step guide for Apglos Survey Wizard is creating layers and managing them. Let's begin by opening the Layer Manager in Apglos Survey Wizard. This is going to be the 3 overlaid squares underneath the main ribbon. To create a new layer once inside the Layer Manager, we'll hit the first icon on the black ribbon, which will allow us to add a layer. We're going to name this layer based on the asset type that we're going to be surveying, i.e. trees, buildings, roads, even septic valves or utilities. And we're going to assign a specific color and line style to each layer that will help differentiate them visually on the map. This symbology will also carry over whenever saved to different types of file formats, like a DXF for AutoCAD. Now, if you want to select a layer to collect points in, you'll need to navigate back to the home screen. Before collecting your data, ensure that you have selected the appropriate layer for that asset type. And do this by clicking the white ribbon to the right of the Layer Manager, opening up your available layers, and then selecting your desired layer. Now that we have the correct layer selected, let's move to collecting point data. First, we're going to move our GPS to the location of the asset that we want to survey, and then we're going to tap the point icon to record a point. If we have any attributes configured, we'll enter in any of that additional information at this point. Next, collecting line data. Start at the beginning of the asset you would like to survey and tap the point icon. Move along the asset, tapping the line icon at each significant point or change in direction to record your line. Enter any additional information or attributes about the line if prompted.